I'm Hunter and this is my North-South Machinery-backed Mavar. I race Ultra 4 in the Youth 1000 class, which is one of the toughest off-road races series out there. It's rocks, sand, huge desert climbs, and it pushes both the driver and the car to the limit. You can't just go fast, you have to be tough and make smart decisions. When you look at a race car like this, almost everything on it has to be built, machined, or fabricated by my amazing sponsors, such as Radfo, Mickey Thompson, S3 Powersports, Yukon Gear and Axle, Trail Ready B-Locks, BC Eyewear, and MBRP. That's where the kinds of machines North-South Machinery represents come in. Each part is manufactured using the same kind of equipment used in shops, just like my dad's. Without precision machines, this car wouldn't exist, and we all know precision equals performance. Parts like our wheels and suspension components are made from precision machined materials. Many of these parts are milled on CNC machines, some with up to 5 axles, which lets them create really complex shapes with a lot of accuracy. Some of the shock mounts and suspension brackets actually start as solid pieces of metal and are finished using wire EDM. That helps us cut the parts really precisely so the suspension stays lined up the way it should while we're racing over rocks and rough terrain. I'm proud to be sponsored by North-South Machinery. Behind every race car is precision manufacturing. North-South Machinery helps shops build the parts that make racing possible.